OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Welcome back to another day in Life Camp. Hope everybody having a good day today. So I'm about to get out here and the DIY. Gonna do it ourselves. So I'm about to get out here and last video I pressure washed some shutters. Well, I ain't pressure washed, I painted upstairs shutters. Painted around the front door, painted the front door, painted the 4 columns, painted the molding over the windows and the front door. So today, we got here and clean this driveway. You know, if you ever seen somebody's driveway, it look all black and looking and stuff because it's dirty. You ever go in a new neighborhood, you look at the concrete, it look all white looking, it's clean because it's new. So it won't get to that color again, but you'll definitely be able to see the dirt coming off. So better get out of here and the tools that I'm using. So I'm using this what's this thing called here? This is the Briggs and Stratton rotating surface cleaner. I'm using that. I'm using put out the solution. Briggs and Stratton pressure wash. So this end right here, this thing hit bad. It leaks. So we brought this other one down here. Gotta get this one off and trash it. It ain't no good. It's trash. Trash. Let's open this new one. Let's see here. Man, this is long. You want to be all hunched over. See, hopefully this thing fit. This one don't fit. I might be able to hand tighten. I'll probably be able to hand tighten it. Let's see. That should be good. Yeah, that's good. Now we gotta unwind this pressure washer line. Get it rolled out. I'll pressure wash them chills off first. Sit them out in the sun, that way they'll dry. I don't know why birds, it seems like birds go over there in the morning and take dumps all over them. They need to be in the sun so it'll dry. Oh yeah, this one's good and long right here. Big difference. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem not do it. Birds of the feather. Yeah, hopefully the sun will dry. They still sticky. I probably should have used some primer. I'm gonna just spray them off. Just spray them off lightly. I ain't even taking the covers out. I'm gonna flip them up like that, hit the bottom. That's what I'm doing. So, sit here. Now I got these new little fittings on the ends. Let's see where I put them. Cause mine, some of mine died too. So, but they don't say, let me see if they mark. Cause I need to know what the PSI of them is. I can get rid of these, see. Okay, this 40. What's 40 at? So, that'll go there. I got them marked on the top. That's 75. That's 75. I ain't got no 75 degree. I got a 40. A 25. We're 25 at 40. Oh, I'm saying that's a 25. Let's say 70. What is this? That's 0. That's 40. This is probably the one I'm gonna need too. I don't need that soap. But this is gonna be the one I'm gonna need right here. So and the bus gonna hit the little boy. Hey, I'm about to clean my driveway, so y'all probably won't be able to ride on it today. But,
she about to clean the driveway.
So what you want to do, you want to bleed this air off this line before you start your pressure washer. If you don't, your power gonna go in and out. See here, that. I'm about to bleed the pressure off. And you always want to have your water on before you start it. So let's get started here. See, it's losing pressure. You got air in the line. It'll come back. Come on. think should knock it on out. You can see the difference in it. You can definitely see the difference in it. See how white this look compared to this porch that I ain't do. So you can see the difference in it. It's a little lighter. Tomorrow morning you'll probably be able to see it better. So I got this last section to do down here, and that'll be it. They usually the dirtiest, so I'm kind of let it soak. But get back to it in a minute. Let it soak for a while. Boy, I'm glad that sun went down. Boy, I'm glad the sun went down. But got this last boy to do it. Hey, that's gonna be it. So I gotta put some more mud on my hole. Cause it look like it's bubbling. So I need to mud it again. Then I'm gonna have to sand it. I had to fix my hole. My bike put a hole in the wall. And I had to fix it. Had to patch it up. So I'm just taking my 15-minute break. Then we get back to it. Boy, that water good. Oh. Whew. Break over with. Get back to it. Alexa, all outside lights on. She ain't turn them on. Alexa, all outside lights on. There she got enough. Yeah, porch on. Yeah, they out. Concrete. It look white. You have to look at. You have to compare it to somebody else's, and you can see the difference. But pretty much how you clean it. You know, the industrial, they just have a bigger disc that they use, but same concept. So don't forget to share. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on all post notifications. Click that bell. The bell lets you know every time and any time I post a video. Alexa, garage light on. Anytime I post a video. Alexa, garage light on. Anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Man, I'm tired as a dog, boy. That sun kicked me today. I got a late start. Every day I have a late start. I be laying around. But we done with it. Got the shutters painted. As you seen on the last video, got the concrete all clean. I already cleaned that thing. But I gotta take those out of it tomorrow. It's a little dirt lot, so they probably get a wash tomorrow.